story of India goes back thousands of years and is filled with a number of inventions and innovations. We are proud of this rich heritage and even more excited to create the future.
We have the youngest population in the world. Give them affordable digital tools. Give them the skills. Give them the environment. They will surprise us. It is this opportunity to transform India that motivated Reliance to invest in this space. And Jio is the result. I believe in the next 20 years, as a human civilization, we will collectively achieve more than what has been achieved in the last 300 years. We are at the beginning of a new era.
With Jio, India rose up from the 155th position to the first position in the world of mobile data usage. What could happen next?
मार्केट रे आसी सारी जियो फोन नेक्स्ट 4 नवेम्बर 2021 रे लॉन्च होइछि एही मोबाइल केवल 1999 टंकार मिलिबो एही मोबाइल रे केवल जियो सिम ही पड़िबो गूगल सहित मिसी काम करूछि जियो
today. Further optimizations in audio and battery will make the smartphone a real user-friendly multitasking device.
Now, with the optimized version of Android, a powerful processor at its center from Qualcomm, the JioPhone Next was ready to be put together right here in India at Tirupati and Sri Perumbudur.
This facility includes the latest technologies in the ENS. These technologies will bring us the best quality and the best productivity in the market. And our goal, together with Jio, is to bring this smartphone to everyone.
We are the first of the history. We are converting a bigger population into the digital world. The Made in India is the game changer for us. It is very much required for India. That is what's happening right now. Make in India and make for India.
The JioPhone Next will help our nation become more and more Atmanirbhar.
What could happen next?